Hey, and welcome back to my channel. This is Chris here. And so today we're going to have a homestyle chicken with green beans and mac and cheese. I'll have a link for a discount coupon in the back in the description below. Here's the nutrition facts if you guys can see it. It smells really good. There's the chicken, the mac and cheese, and the green beans. So Freshie, you download the app, you sign up, you can pick what meals you want, minimum 4, and I believe 7's the max. Is this easier? All depends on your situation. I bring them to work, it's convenient, easy, and delicious. The mac and cheese, we're gonna go for a bite here, and it smells really, really good, really cheesy. Wow. That legitimately tastes like your grandma's homemade mac and cheese. We're gonna have to go for a second bite. That's how delicious it was. And of course I forgot a knife, but you know what? Was it gonna take a big chunk and taste it? Not too bad, not too bad. The chicken's moist and tender. Some green beans. So if you enjoy this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And if you're curious, just check them out. Not a paid sponsor at all. Freshie, download the app. I think you guys will enjoy it. See you in the next review.